Well, hello everybody. This is such an exciting time at Fix for Fred. We are so busy that we are ready to add 2 new team members. We need to add a technician and a service advisor. So I'm going to show you a little bit about where we do our magical work. Come with me into the shop. So right here you can see young Vernon. He's our youngest technician, putting a gas tank back in a Chevy Silverado. We have Tyler finishing some work on one of those new Jeep Gladiators. Ryan and Tyler are both finishing up an inspection on a customer. Let me show you some other stuff. Come with me. You can see the technicians keep a really clean area to clean workspace. Ryan's using talk to text right there just to get his tech notes right into that inspection for the customer. Anyone that's already a technician will recognize what's going on right there. That's our lead tech, Dane, taking the Subaru engine apart. We're putting a new short block in, rebuilding the heads, getting the timing belt, water pump, just freshening up that whole powertrain on that car. Dane, you get the head bolts out, man?
Oh yeah, they're coming out.
Here's something fun. A race car. We have Fix It with Fred Racing. We took an abandoned car and turned it into a race car. We've already participated in 3 races this year. It's one of the ways that we also play together, not only work together. Let me show you the technician bathroom. Come with me. I kind of misspoke when I said technician bathroom. This is their break room, bathroom, locker room. Come on in, I want to show you. You can't feel through video. It's 65 degrees in here. In the winter, we keep it around 80. They have showers, lockers, lounge area. They have their own microwave. They have a fridge just for them so that when we keep cold drinks, we supply like waters and Gatorades throughout the year to keep everybody fresh. I just thought of something. Let me show you this. Come here. This is where the technicians wash their hands. It's always gross in every shop. And here, I didn't clean this for the video. This is how the technicians keep it all the time. I don't think I've shown you guys the waiting room yet. Come with me, come on. On the way to the waiting room, I want to show you the customer bathroom. The reason that's important is if you're a service advisor candidate, someone that doesn't have any experience working with cars, but you have that ability to talk to customers and take care of people, the customers you take care of would use this as a restroom. Nice and bright, clean, baby changing station. You can't smell it, but it doesn't stink in here. This is one of the nicest customer bathrooms. We've actually had customers mention our bathroom in their 5-star reviews. One of the many. I want to show you the waiting room. I want to show you where we have team meeting. Oh, on the way, this is our wall of fame. This is where we show awards, certifications, any ASEs, any kind of special thing, because we have a very high training mindset. If you're smart, you can't stay smart without feeding somebody new information. So we want to keep training at top of mind. Here's where the customer's waiting room is. We've got Wi-Fi, water, TV, and then here's where customers check in. We've got Corey here. Corey, how's your day going, man?
It's going great.
Customers check in with Corey here. We also have Becca on hand to take care of customers. Becca, she works in this office, cashing customers out, answering phone calls, so we all work together as a team. One last thing I want to point out. When we go past this little office here, we have a break room table here that we do team meetings at. Now today we have pizza. I didn't buy pizza. We had a customer so happy they sent us 4 large pizzas, and that kind of stuff happens, bringing cookies, cards, all that. And we also have our morning huddle where we talk about our plan for the day, and any full everybody meetings, we have them right in the spot. Technicians get their parts right there. It's a pretty organized thing that we do here. So if you're a technician with about 5 years experience or more and you want to do better, you want to work in a place that cares about you, just go ahead and apply. And if you are someone that has a customer service skill set, even if you've never been in automotive, Corey that I introduced you to came from the restaurant industry, so we're not afraid to train from scratch. Give us a call at 477-FRED, go on our website and check out all of our benefits we have for our employees, and just join our team. So thanks a lot for watching the video, guys. I hope you have a great weekend.